What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Hey, so today I want to show you guys a few different ways you can style your natural hair and still look amazing. Yo, girls, I'm just trying to save you some money. Y'all know how expensive, costly, mind draining everything it is to do hair. Y'all know that. And sometimes it's good to save your money and also let your hair breathe too. Because you can't just be out there having your head being stretched. I hate when people touch my hair. But hey, I'm going to show you guys different ways to do it. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to style it in a few different ways that I can. I'm just going to guess. But all in all, let's see how it looks like, okay? So first of all, I'm going to make sure that my hair is not too dry. Because you're not going to be able to achieve the styles that you need when your hair is too dry. That's why I'm going to apply the Shea Moisture for shine, just to make the hair a little wet instead of pouring water. And that's it. Let's start with the first style. So here is my first look, and guys, I'm going to show you how I was able to achieve this look. And so first of all, I just get a piece of yarn. I got the yarn from Walmart. It's black. You want to get a black one so that it can blend with your hair. If you get a red, it's going to be visible, and you don't want that. You want everything to look natural, and that's the point. So I got a piece of yarn from Walmart, and I just take a piece of it and I tie it in the back, just like how you would tie your hair from the back, and just tie that and let a little bit staying in the front so that it can give you the puff, and then you can just puff it the way you want. Maybe you want to make it a little bit puffy or more. It's up to you. And that's how I did. And to make my hair lay down very well, I use bobby pins because sometimes my hair wants to um, lift up and I don't want that. So, and I used the sulfur 8 for laying down the hair that was trying to come up. And that's the look, guys. How you guys think? So every girl be doing this style nowadays. I see that, but how do you achieve the puff at the top? Very simple, guys. You wash your hair. If your hair is shrinks a lot, that's the way to go. If not, you can use the products that I showed you to give it a little bit of shrinkage. And you just take the same piece of yarn, guys, and you put it. You want to put it from the back, and then you like squeeze it to the front so that you can like squeeze your hair together. I don't know what I if that made sense, but that's what I do. And then I tie the piece of yarn. I can cut it, but sometimes I'm just like, oh, I'm too lazy to do that. So I just keep rounding it around, rounding it. Oh God, I keep rounding it to see, yeah, to just give it that look. And then I add a little bit of my products that I use on my hair to give it a little bit of the puff that I have on the top. And yeah, just keep puffing it to your preference, and that's how I do it. But with this one, I added gel, even though I don't know how to do. I really don't know how to lay my edges, to be honest. I cannot lay my edges, so I just do whatever I can do. You guys, all you gotta do just experiment with your hair. That's the best way to learn. Experiment, and that's it. But I tried to add a few accessories at the front just to give it a little bit of, not too plain. So I added those shiny accessories from, you can get them anywhere. You can get them at the hair salon or beauty store or whatever, and that's what I got. Just put it there. If you like that, you can. But also I put those fake shells. Also I tried putting it, and I tried, what I did is I took a little piece of yarn and I put it through it, and I tried it. It was so difficult to do that, guys, but I tried to put it inside and then put it in my, attach it to the yarn that I had on my head, on my hair, and it was really hard to put it in, but I managed to. And that's that little detail over there, I think it made a difference. And yeah, guys, remember I told you all these styles were really random. I didn't know, like I didn't plan what to do, and this is what I tried, and I laughed at this style, but hey, don't do that. You look like a clown. But let's move on to the next one, guys. Over here, I was just trying to partition my hair, like divide it into like sideways and see how it's gonna give me a look that I desire or the look that I want on my head. Because remember, all this was spontaneous. I was just looking at the head, at my hair, and be like, oh yeah, I think I should do this, and let's see if it works. That's why sometimes one of the looks went really bad, but here I just used my bobby pins and I divided my hair sideways in the middle, and I tried to lay my edges, which I don't know how to. I'm still learning, guys, but I try to, at least I do it. But I use um the brush. Everybody uses that. to lay those edges, which I don't know how to. I think I've said that. But then I wiped off the extra oil, and this is how it looks like. This is the final look, guys. Tell me what you guys think. Just be simple and makes you look like the African woman that you need to be, because or the black woman that you are. And yeah, that's how it is, guys. Okay, guys, here's another look, and the same thing I was doing to the other side. The other hairstyle I divided just on one side, and this one I was trying to divide it on both sides. So I have one side divided, the other side divided, but I have hair in the middle, and then the side hair pushed back a little bit. So that's the look I was trying to achieve in this hairstyle. And this was the easiest one to do because I had done half of it the other way. The only thing left was just to make sure that my hair in the front was not standing. And yeah, lay those edges, guys. Some of us don't know how to do it. Y'all should see how I do mine. As long as they're down, I'm not trying to put all those fancy edges that you guys do. I'm willing to learn those. So if you guys know, just let me know. You can teach me, I guess, or I can watch more YouTube videos on how to do that. But I thought, the little you can share. Now I know how to style hair, I think, and I think y'all can learn from me, and I can learn from you guys, and that's how it is, guys. Divided into two sides, and who with your big hoops, y'all are ready to go. So that's my three most important things that you need to have when you have your natural hair out are your bobby pins, your comb, and your products. Well, depending on which one you like to use, but so far the Shea Moisture works. Like the Cantu, I just use it to wash my hair. But here I was just trying to simple, like just trying to put the hair all up using the bobby pins. So like trying to put it the mohawk style as well. But that there are different ways you can do the mohawk. But I did it this way, just trying to push all the hair kind of in the middle, and this is how it ended up looking like. And I loved it, guys. But hey, that's all I wanted to show y'all, and thank you. To start, I'm gonna show you guys my hair products. I don't really have much. I use this one. It's for curls. So first of all, you wash your hair. You want to wash it very well. Make sure you can feel the coolness in there. Make sure that it's really washed, and then once you use it, nowadays I've started using rice water in my hair. I haven't seen any results. Like I wouldn't tell after 1 day or 2 days of using it, but I just want to see after a month how it's gonna be. But anyways, after I wash it, I wash with a shampoo. What is it? What's the name? Cantu shampoo and Cantu conditioner. That's what I use on my hair, and then I use the Sheer Moisture for the curls. Both of them are, but this is for like, I don't know, just to make it shine as well. Oh, that feels good. I feel like I want to spray myself. But oh guys, and I've started using this. This removes the dandruff. Like sometimes you eat yourself too much because your skin is dry. I've applied this for a month now, and it works. And also, I don't like using gel on my hair. You know how people will put the gel on top? I don't do that. Instead, I use this. It works as like gel. I don't know. This is what it's called. And so I use only those three. And then yeah, this is the gel I use just to style. I know all of y'all use this, the Eco Gel or Eco Gel. That's what I use. And then I need my comb. And then I'm gonna use this to style the hair. And some bobby pins too. Those are essential. They're on my hair. So first of all, I'm gonna do this style and show you guys how it looks like. Okay? Hey guys, thank you for coming along. So this was it was random. I didn't know the styles to do because I always just do this style with my hair, with my natural hair, but I figured something out. So thank you for coming along. Thank you for watching, and let me know your favorite. Sometimes I know keeping natural hair could be expensive too because the products ain't cheap. But with the products, you can buy them and use them over months. But with braids or whatever, I'm not saying that it's bad doing them. I do them all the time, but sometimes you just want to save money. And these are the to-go styles you can go with. To-go styles that you can go with. These are the styles that you can go with and still look good. Like, yo, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.